Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. However, not all nuts are created equal, and some may be less beneficial for certain health conditions. Here's a breakdown of 4 nuts you should eat and 4 nuts you might want to limit or avoid. 4 nuts you should be eating: almonds. 1. Benefits: high in vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. 1. Almonds can help reduce cholesterol levels, improve heart health, and promote weight management. 2. Serving suggestion: snack on raw or lightly roasted almonds or add them to salads and yogurt. Walnuts. 1. Benefits: rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Walnuts are linked to improved brain health and heart health. 2. Serving suggestion: add chopped walnuts to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods for added crunch and nutrition. Pistachios. 1. Benefits: packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. 1. Pistachios may help lower cholesterol levels and support gut health. 2. Serving suggestion: enjoy them as a snack or sprinkle them on salads or roasted vegetables. Brazil nuts. 1. Benefits: excellent source of selenium, which is important for thyroid function and has antioxidant properties. 1. Just a few Brazil nuts can meet your daily selenium needs. 2. Serving suggestion: enjoy as a snack or add them to trail mixes. Nuts you shouldn't eat or limit. Cashews. 1. Concerns: while cashews are tasty, they are lower in fiber and can be high in carbohydrates compared to other nuts. 1. They also contain higher amounts of oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. 2. Recommendation: enjoy in moderation, especially if you have a history of kidney stones. Macadamia nuts. 1. Concerns: high in calories and fat, particularly saturated fat. 1. While they are heart healthy when consumed in moderation, they can contribute to weight gain if overeaten. 2. Recommendation: consume sparingly and focus on lower calorie options if you are watching your weight. Pine nuts. 1. Concerns: these are often more expensive and can be high in calories. 1. Some people may also experience pine nut syndrome, a taste disturbance after eating them. 2. Recommendation: use them in small amounts for flavor in dishes rather than as a primary snack. Salted or sweetened nuts. 1. Concerns: nuts that are heavily salted or coated in sugar can negate the health benefits by adding excess sodium or sugar, leading to potential health risks such as hypertension and weight gain. 2. Recommendation: opt for unsalted and unflavored varieties for a healthier choice. Conclusion: incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Focus on whole, unsalted, and unprocessed nuts for the best nutritional value. Moderation is key, especially for higher calorie varieties. Always consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. For